गुरु बिन ज्ञान न उपजे, गुरु बिन मिटे न दोष, गुरु बिन लखे न सत्य को, गुरु बिन मिले न मोक्ष। भारत की संस्कृति में गुरु को ईश्वर के समान माना गया है, क्योंकि वही है जो अज्ञान के अंधकार को चीरकर ज्ञान के प्रकाश की ओर ले जाता है। और इसी महान धरोहर को आगे बढ़ाने का दायित्व हमारे डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ टीचर एजुकेशन ने अपने कंधों पर लिया है। यह है हरियाणा केंद्रीय विश्वविद्यालय का शिक्षक शिक्षा विभाग। हमारे विभागाध्यक्ष के दूरदर्शी नेतृत्व में यह विभाग लगातार प्रगति की ओर अग्रसर है।
Good morning, one and all in the Department of Teacher Education. Under the able guidance of our Honorable Vice Chancellor and Pro Vice Chancellor, Department is urgently providing the 4 teacher training program, MA 2-year program, BA 2-year program, ITAP program at secondary stage, and PhD in education. And presently the department had 24 regular faculty. Out of 24 regular faculties, 4 are professors, 1 is associate professors, and remaining 19 are assistant professors. 4 guests are also working in the Department of Teacher Education. Our dedicated team of faculty members is committed to prepare the women teacher, and the main focus on the preparing the good teachers who will serve in the different part of the country. I am very happy to share with all of you, last 2 sessions, more than 100 students were placed in very reputed institutions like KVs, Navodaya Vidyalayas, and state selection boards. So far is concerned the PhD, last 2 years, 15 PhD awarded in Department of Teacher Education. CTET tested, more than 150 students qualify their CTET tests in last 2 years. Regarding UGC NET, 29 students qualify their UGC, JRF and NET examination, and more than 50 students go for higher studies in different reputed institutions from our university. We have a very excellent facility in the Department of Teacher Education. Thank you for joining Central University of Haryana and especially Department of Teacher Education. All the best for your future endeavors. Thank you.
आधुनिक कक्षाएं, सुसज्जित इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर और सीखने के लिए अनुकूल वातावरण, यही है हमारी पहचान। यह विभाग केवल शिक्षण कौशल नहीं सिखाता, बल्कि एक व्यक्ति का निर्माण करता है। यहां विद्यार्थी सिर्फ किताबों से नहीं, बल्कि अनुभव, प्रयोग और संस्कारों से सीखते हैं। अनुभवी और समर्पित शिक्षकों का मार्गदर्शन छात्र छात्राओं को सिर्फ ज्ञान ही नहीं देता, बल्कि जीवन मूल्यों को भी आत्मसात कराता है। आज विभाग में 4 प्रमुख कार्यक्रम संचालित हो रहे हैं: बीएड, एमएड, आईटैप, पीएचडी। यह विभाग केवल शिक्षण कौशल अर्थात टीचिंग स्किल नहीं सिखाता, बल्कि एक व्यक्तित्व का निर्माण करता है।
Good afternoon everyone. I am Adarsh Mer from Odisha. I have completed my B.Ed degree from Central University of Haryana in the year 2022. This institution has given me a clear vision about career making as well as living a purposeful life. Today I am feeling very happy and proud to tell you all that I am working as a postgraduate teacher in physics in PM Sri Kendriya Vidyalaya, Hassan, Karnataka for the last 2 years. Thank you everyone.
Hello everyone, I am Keshav Chandra Behera from Odisha, currently working as PGT Physics in Kendriya Vidyalaya, Chennai region. It gives me an immense pleasure and pride enough to be an alumnus of Department of Education from Central University of Haryana. I was pursuing my Bachelor of Education in 2020-22. This institute and especially the Department of Education has not only provided me the required pedagogical skills, the educational theory for a teacher, but also shaped me into a reflective, responsible and value-driven teacher.
Hello, myself Madhusudan Mallik from Odisha, currently working as TGT Math in Odisha Adarsh Vidyalaya Sangathan under School and Mass Education, Government of Odisha. It is an immense pride to be an alumnus of Central University of Haryana. This university is just not a place of learning for me, it was the foundation of my personal as well as professional career. Finally, I would like to thank all the faculties and teachers of Department of Teacher Education. I will always be grateful for this because today what I am because of the university. Thank you all. Have a nice day.
Good morning, Pranam to all the dignitaries, Dean, School of Education and all the teachers, my dear juniors of the Central University of Haryana. I am deeply honored and grateful to express my wholehearted thanks to the School of Education and juniors for giving me this nostalgic moment. This is a moment of profound appreciation for the support, guidance and collaborative environment I have experienced during the time there. I am Ambika Prasad Misra, the very first roll number of 2019 and 21 batch. At present, my workplace is Government High School, Dumduma Village, Bhubaneswar, under the School and Mass Education Department of Odisha. I could say this university has left a mark on my life. To the esteemed faculty, thank you for your passion, your patience, your knowledge, the invaluable knowledge for sharing with us.
यहाँ माइक्रो टीचिंग, पीयर लर्निंग, आईसीटी इंटीग्रेशन, सेमिनार, स्कूल इंटर्नशिप जैसे प्रशिक्षण के माध्यम से भविष्य के शिक्षक को तैयार किया जाता है, अर्थात सर्वांगीण विकास। श्रेयान स्वधर्मो विगुण है परम धर्मात् स्वनिष्ठितात्, अर्थात अपने कर्तव्य का पालन भले ही अपूर्ण हो दूसरे के कर्तव्य से श्रेष्ठ है, और शिक्षक का कर्तव्य है ज्ञान देना, मार्गदर्शन करना और चरित्र गढ़ना। डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ टीचर एजुकेशन का उद्देश्य केवल उत्कृष्ट शिक्षक तैयार करना नहीं, बल्कि ऐसे राष्ट्र निर्माता गढ़ना है जो आने वाली पीढ़ियों को सही दिशा और दशा दे सकें। यहीं से निकलते हैं वे शिक्षक जो सिर्फ पढ़ाते नहीं बल्कि जीवन गढ़ते हैं। यह है हरियाणा केंद्रीय विश्वविद्यालय का टीचर एजुकेशन डिपार्टमेंट। यहीं से शुरू होता है शिक्षा का असली सफर।